Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jeremy from Long Speed Marine. This is Emily with me. Today we're going to be working on the Skylark again, doing a bit of welding.
So today I'm going to be welding holes in the car, and that's what we're going to be doing today.
Yeah, so we've got some holes in the floor of the car here around the seat belt bolts in the back, and of course this is a safety item. So we want to make sure that we get those supported and welded up good. What happens is there's a plate on the outside of the car and junk sits on the top of it and rots along the top. So I've got one already patched, small little hole patched up a bit there, and the other ones I've got some metal expertly machine cut. Yeah, right. And so Emily's just gonna start, I'm gonna help her, and we're gonna start zapping those things in place and get some of these holes fixed up a little bit. So here's the issue that we've got. Along the top of these seatbelt brackets where the bolts go, they often rot out because there's like a ledge. It's a cup that looks like in there. So the ledge collects dirt and crap and stuff and whatever. So basically what we're gonna do is just put these patches over top of it. And once we've welded around the outside, I'll drill some holes in here so that we plug weld into it to make it even stronger on the inside. So I've already patched up one small hole here, and Emily's gonna start, and we're gonna keep on going, patching these things up. Something in my eye. I finished tacking up the floor patches up there for the seatbelt supports, and I'm just carrying on to doing the gas tank now, and I probably should have had the camera on while I was doing the gas tank because it's kind of funny. Anyways, basically spilling gas all over the place, and so that's always fun. So I'm going to take you underneath there and show you what's going on now. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with the trunk floor. I've only got the actual floor piece. I don't have any of the trunk braces, and it's pretty bad over there. So let me take you under there and show you what's going on. So as suspected, it is pretty crusty under here, but these braces here, if I can get the light over, the actual braces that go down to the frame are pretty rough, especially this one. So it's really bad. And I don't know why I didn't suspect that, but I think what I'm gonna have to do now is order up these floor braces and even the gas tank strap brace. So anyways, that's what we're gonna have to do. There's those seat belt braces all welded in, and the patch is done, so I'll just put some seam sealer around that, and I'll be doing basically I'll be pour 15ing the floor and then doing a rubberized or a rocker guard or whatever on the floor also, just to help seal up any of the pinholes in the welds and stuff, because these previous welds that are all in there aren't the greatest. I'm gonna have to go and order up those full floor braces, so a little bit of a short one here. Before I do my brake lines and that, because I have to run brake lines to the back, the front ones are actually good, they're all solid, but the back one was no good. So before I go ahead and do that, I want to finish up the metal work for the trunk. So I got to order those braces up, get the patches done on the frame, and then I'll be able to carry on with the brakes and any of the rest of that mechanical stuff, so I can get, you know, the car mobile at least to the point where I'm moving around. So thanks for tagging along on this one, and here's a word from Emily. Thanks for tagging along. Make sure you
like and subscribe.
and follow along with all my other builds. Thanks very much and take care.